Wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright, I'm 7 today, or I'm a top 9, or I'm a class 9 today, because even though no one to learn English get here, we sit here, going here, don't worry about that, because out of the melting, always bounce the one word, teaching me about English, is there Mr. Fami Hanifa. Alright, today I'm going to explain or talking about or my experience about how do we to care about cleanliness or how to maintain the cleaning of our environment. The 2016 at the time or 2009 at the time, I got gas or tourists from Japan at the time. That guy asking me about cleanliness, right? Asking himself here, are you a Muslim? Yes, indeed, asking like that. And then Chinese people Muslim, right? Indeed, 99% Chinese people in Muslim. So why Chinese people throw garbage everywhere? They don't clean it, every single Chinese people don't keep the cleanliness. Why? How do I explain or send that question? That is very difficult for me. No, but because I'm Muslim, so throwing garbage everywhere, river, and then the land, and then the beach, and then the seashore, everywhere. I just people like that, doing like that every single day. I have no idea how to, answer that question. Alright? And then I answer that. This is several questions. These are unknown people. How do we just not Muslim 100%? They have to learn about Quran and Hadith. They have to learn religion. In a religion, we have to learn about, how to maintain or to keep the cleanliness every single day. This Muslim is clean. And then, why? The Muslim people to go everywhere. Why these people doesn't keep that cleanness? I have no idea about that, but this several people, not all Muslim like that, but several, because those people like throw garbage everywhere. They don't care about the cleanness. That guy love for dirty, what living for dirt. So that's because that is very not good for us. So we can't judge Muslim people throwing the garbage everywhere, don't keep the cleanliness every single day. We don't judge that. Just see few people, just unknown people. So nowadays, in our governor, every single morning, they almost 4 times day and night, they have bringing the car, the truck, and then they pick up every garbage, every single house, every single village in Banda Aceh. So, our governor very good for clean the cleanliness. That's my time. So we can't judge, Muslim people throwing garbage everywhere, throwing garbage for the river. So the point is depend on people, depend on condition, depend on unknown people nowadays. That's my time. I speak enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.